Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing the fourth chapter of Bista's book, and the name of chapter is The Enemy, written by Perlius Buck. The actual meaning of enemy is the foe, Foe. This particular lesson has been written by Perlius Buck, one of the renowned and popular writers of America, who contributed a lot in the field of literature or spent a major portion of her life in China. She got Pulitzer Prize and Nobel Prize for her excellent contribution in the field of literature. Dear students, this particular lesson is about Second World War, or in this lesson we are discussing the victory of humanism over patriotism. We are also discussing that how a well-known doctor, Mr. Sadao Hoki, how he completed the dream of his father and became a well-known and renowned surgeon of Japan, or how fortunately he met Hana at professor's house in America, or how he was impressed by the behavior and nature of Hana, or how after completing his education and research work, when both Hana and Sadao Hoki they returned, they were married after the permission of their parents, according to the old Japanese tradition. We have also discussed in previous videos that how one day Hana and Sadao Hoki they were standing in their veranda and they were enjoying the beauty of nature, as their house was situated near the coastal areas. And at that time, dear children, the whole area was surrounded with mist, as it was winter season, or they observed, they saw that one of the person was thrown out of the sea. Firstly, they thought that it was a fisherman, but when they went near to that person, they found that it was a white man. It was an American soldier, or he was of US Navy. After that, they were very much upset and disturbed, because the two thoughts were running in the mind of Mr. Sadao Hoki and his wife Hana. One, as a patriot, he should throw back to that US Navy soldier in the sea, or another, as a human being, as a doctor, he should save first the life of that wounded soldier. Or ultimately, dear children, I told you in previous video that the thought of humanism got victory over patriotism, or he decided to take that wounded soldier to his residence and firstly to save his life and to treat him. But dear children, when both Mr. Sadao Hoki and his wife Hana, when they brought that soldier of US Navy to their residence. At that time, dear children, they took him in the room of their father. Sadao Hoki took that American wounded soldier, unconscious soldier, to the room of his father. Or the room of his father was closed for a long time. All the articles which were related to his father were kept in that room safely, or he took that soldier in that room. As the soldier's body was covered with mud and sands, so without washing the wounds and his body with hot water it was not possible for Mr. Sadao Hoki and his wife to start the treatment. So for that, Hannah called the servant, or she went in the nursery and she called Hannah. Hannah called firstly the carer, the maid servant Yumi, who was taking care of Hannah and Sadao children. She called her, or when Yumi came, she ordered her to bring hot water. Firstly, Yumi, the maid servant, was not knowing for what reason the mistress was asking the hot water. She went in kitchen, or after some time, she brought that hot water. But when she saw that one white man was in their master's room, so she was very much upset, she was very much angry. Even she denied and refused, dear children, to wash the white man. Or before that, dear children, Yumi spread the sleeping pills on the floor and she let the small child between them. Or after that, dear children, when Yumi denied to wash the wounds of that wounded soldier, so Hannah understood their feeling. Hannah understood that the servants were not ready to give their services because they have brought her husband, and she herself has brought. They have brought one of the enemy country soldier. Due to that, they were ignoring and denying, and there was no option in front of Hannah. So finally, dear children, she decided to wash the body and wounds of that white soldier herself. Or she started with the help of her husband, Mr. Sadao Hoki. Hannah herself washed the wounds of that wounded man and his body. And after that, dear children, Mr. Sadao Hoki, the well-known surgeon, he brought his surgeon's emergency bag because he was going to start the treatment operation, as the bullet has been entered in the body of that wounded soldier. So it was very necessary to take out the bullet from his body. And dear children, at the time when Mr. Sadao Hoki started the operation, at that time he advised Hannah to give anesthetic or anesthesia to the wounded soldier if there will be requirement. because at the time whenever he will take out the bullet or he will enter the instruments inside the wound, so at that time the patient may move, he may stir. So for that reason they wanted to make him unconscious, or they wanted to give him anesthesia. Hannah, as a supporter, she was ready according to the instruction of her husband. Or one more thing I want to tell you, dear children, when Mr. Sadao started operation, after taking out of the packing of the sea masses, because he packed the wound with the sea mass, or when he started operation, he took out the packing, or when he took out the packing, the blood started coming out with flow. Or he understood that there was a too much bleeding already has been done, or if there will be some more bleeding, so it can be dangerous for the life of that wounded American soldiers. So finally, dear children, as an expert surgeon, he decided to search the bullet. The bullet was still there. Sadao finally had searched the bullet, reached to the bullet with the help of instruments, or with skill. He pulled out the bullet, because Sadao was an expert surgeon, or very soon he pointed out where the bullet was, or it was near the kidney. But that as an expert surgeon, Mr. Sadao pulled the bullet finally out. When the operation was going on, Mr. Sadao and his wife, they were only engaged, but the servants were standing outside, or they were not helping at all to them, because they were very much sad and upset. At the same time angry also, because their master was helping the soldier of enemy country. Or ultimately and finally, you can say, dear children, the servants decided to leave their house, and they left after completion of the operation. Then both Hannah and Mr. Sadao, they gave him medicine also, injection also. The operation was successful. The man was still in unconscious position. After many hours, then he regained his consciousness. And when he opened his eyes and gained his consciousness, he found that he was at a strange place, or he had finally understood that he was in the house of any Japanese fellow. He gave his thanks to Dr. Sadao and his wife for giving him treatment, for providing, for supporting him. And Sadao also told him that he was the soldier of enemy country, so that he can hand over him to the police, or he will inform to the general. But until and unless his condition will not be completely recovered, they were not going to take such action. But when he will be absolutely well, both husband and wife, they have decided that they will hand over that American Navy soldier to the police, or they will inform to the head of the army, because they wanted to prove themselves that they are the true patriot. They are not the traitor, they are not the deceivers. Dear children, this message they wanted to give. I have told you the servants have already left. It is all about today. In tomorrow's video, I will tell you what happened after that, how they informed the head of the army, how all these things were done, what was the reaction of the general after listening this. We will discuss, dear children, in the next video. I hope whatever I have explained today, you have understood. Thank you, dear children.